Tea Time Without Tusk, Part 10 in hexadecimal. I squared them up a bit more than they were before. Thought I could just, hit the edges with the knife blade to square them up. They might look better. The description in the books was golden on the outside, creamy white inside. I seem to have got the gold right. This was 200 centigrade, whatever that is in Fahrenheit. I'm not telling you right now. I might call it 392 Fahrenheit and hope that's correct. Some of these have more olive oil than others because I kind of glooped olive oil onto the tray and ended up mopping it up with the dough rather than letting it dribble everywhere. Doesn't seem to have made much difference. Golden brown on the outside, I think we can call that golden outside. Creamy white inside, not quite. Not quite. Maybe if baked for longer they'd have been creamy white inside. Maybe if they'd been baked dry. As they are, still kind of moist looking, actually. Not sure what colour to call that. It's like a snowball melting in a stream in the Alps. How's that for a description? Well, the honey really comes through. Those are tasty enough. I'm going to call this a success. So the next thing I need to do is come up with some stuff with which to stuff them to make the pork and fruit stuffed, potato stuffed and chicken stuffed whey bread. Or at least one of the above. Wish me luck.